Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download Complementary Shaders Unbound in Minecraft. Let's get started. First, quit Minecraft, open the web browser and search for OptiFine, which is both an optimization tool and required to run shaders. Then go to optifine.net and click download and get the most recent full release. Ignore ads and click the skip button if needed. Once downloaded, save it to your downloads folder. Next, download Complementary Shaders Unbound. Search for them online and get the file from CourseForge or trusted sources. Make sure you download the latest version and compatible with your Minecraft version. Now, install OptiFine. Double-click the file. If it doesn't open, make sure Java is installed from java.com. Then, right-click, then choose Open with, then Java. And then click Install. You'll see a success message when it's ready. And after that, open the Minecraft launcher and select OptiFine version and click play. Once in-game, press escape, options, then go to video settings, shaders, then shaders folder, and drag the complementary shaders unbound pack into this folder. Close it, then select the shader from the list. Now you can enjoy Minecraft with enhanced visuals, vibrant colors, and stunning effects. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.